Stealing eggs, eh? Why, I'm gonna... She's it! She's it! She's it! She's it! What's going on? When a chicken has laid 1,000,000 eggs, she is taken away to the door, where she enters into joy and eternal leisure.
What's cooking, Chief? You got the hungry wood... I need chickens down here.
Travel imports. Good for a chicken's gizzard.
What's this handle for, Chief?
Pull it to get your meal.
She's it! She's it! She's it!
Oh boy, eternal glory, leisure. Huh? Hey, you can't do that. What are you laughing at?
We're on our way to Nirvana, ain't we?
Nirvana? Does this look like Nirvana? What the?
This is it! I'm coming home, Mom!
These chicken dinners? They're taking off, Rudy. We got a jam. Come on, we're busting out of this joint.
Hey, I wanna try!
More in the others. There's our ticket back inside. Listen to me. You're all in danger. You're all being used for free eggs. And when she's done with you, it's chicken dinner. And if you don't believe me, ask Rudy.
It's true, Mom! Yep! Say it ain't so! Why, of all the rotten, stinking...
Be quiet. There's a trick. It's time to put an end to the slavery and make a stand. They can take our eggs, but they'll never take our freedom. Dinners, girls. Ready, aim, fire.
Oh.